everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download songs directly to your SD card in YouTube Music. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music app on your phone. Go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the settings, tap on Downloads and Storage. Here you will see an option that says Use SD card. Switch it on. Now I'm going to test it by downloading 3 songs. And as you can see, they are already stored on my SD card. And that's it. Now you know how to save space on your phone by downloading your music directly to your SD card using YouTube Music.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.